My journey with low energy and diminished strength began in my early 40s. Despite regular exercise and what I thought was decent nutrition, something felt fundamentally off. Medical tests confirmed slightly below optimal testosterone levels, though not low enough for medical intervention. Determined to reclaim my vitality naturally, I researched evidence-based approaches instead of turning to expensive supplements with questionable ingredients. What I discovered transformed not just my hormonal health, but my entire approach to well-being. Within 3 months of implementing these natural strategies, my follow-up blood tests showed a 32% increase in testosterone levels. More importantly, my energy, strength, and overall sense of vitality returned to levels I hadn't experienced in years. Strength training, particularly compound movements, provides the foundation for natural testosterone production. Research published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that squats, deadlifts, and bench presses elevated testosterone significantly more than isolation exercises or cardio alone. The mechanism involves micro-trauma to muscle tissue that triggers hormonal repair processes. Sessions lasting 45 to 60 minutes with sufficient intensity prove most effective, while excessive training actually suppresses testosterone production. My approach focused on 3 weekly strength sessions, emphasizing progressive overload, gradually increasing weight while maintaining proper form. This strategy consistently triggered the ideal hormonal response without crossing into overtraining. Sleep quality emerged as perhaps the most underappreciated testosterone booster. A study in the Journal of the American Medical Association demonstrated that men sleeping only 5 hours nightly showed 15% lower testosterone than those getting 8 hours. The majority of daily testosterone release occurs during REM sleep, with interrupted sleep preventing this crucial production window. Implementing a consistent sleep schedule with proper sleep hygiene dramatically improved my hormonal profile. Strategic intermittent fasting creates powerful hormonal responses. Research from the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology found that short-term fasting temporarily increases luteinizing hormone, the primary signal for testosterone production. My approach utilized a 16 to 8 fasting protocol 3 days weekly, consuming all meals within an 8-hour window and fasting for 16 hours. This moderate approach provided hormonal benefits without the stress of more extreme fasting protocols. Vitamin optimization costs nothing, yet delivers remarkable testosterone benefits. A year-long study published in Hormone and Metabolic Research found that men supplementing with vitamin saw an average 20% increase in total testosterone compared to placebo groups. While supplements work, natural sunlight exposure produces vitamin D most effectively. Daily exposure of face and arms for 15 to 20 minutes during midday hours significantly raised my levels without supplementation during summer months. Stress management directly impacts testosterone through cortisol regulation. Research from the University of Texas demonstrated that chronically elevated cortisol significantly suppresses testosterone production by blocking critical enzymatic pathways. Incorporating daily stress reduction practices made profound differences in my hormonal balance. 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation and brief afternoon walks in natural settings measurably reduce cortisol while supporting testosterone production. Dietary fat optimization surprised me with its hormonal impact. Research in the International Journal of Sports Medicine established that men consuming less than 20% of calories from fat showed significantly lower testosterone than those consuming 35 to 40% from healthy sources. Incorporating avocados, olive oil, eggs, and fatty fish provided the cholesterol and essential fatty acids required for optimal hormone production. Contrary to outdated nutritional advice, these healthy fats became the foundation of my hormonal health. Cruciferous vegetables contain indole-3-carbinol, which research in the Journal of Steroid Biochemistry shows helps optimize estrogen metabolism. This compound prevents testosterone conversion to estrogen, maintaining optimal hormonal balance. Incorporating broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts 4 to 5 times weekly provided this benefit, while delivering additional micronutrients essential for overall health. Simple preparation methods like roasting with olive oil made consistent consumption enjoyable. Mineral optimization, particularly zinc and magnesium, proved critically important. Research in biological trace element research demonstrated that zinc deficiency correlates strongly with low testosterone across all age groups. Rather than supplements, I focused on zinc-rich foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, and grass-fed beef.